Technocracy is a system of governance where decision-making is vested in technical experts rather than elected representatives. Let's dive straight into three key features of technocracy. The first feature is expertise-based decision-making. In a technocratic system, leaders are selected based on their knowledge and skills in specific fields relevant to their roles. For example, a scientist would lead a science ministry, and an economist would be in charge of the economy. This ensures that the decisions made are informed by the most current and comprehensive understanding available. The second feature is a focus on efficiency and effectiveness. Technocracy aims to optimize and streamline government operations. By applying scientific principles and methodologies to administrative practices, technocracies work to achieve the best possible outcomes with the least waste of resources. The third feature is the emphasis on long-term planning. Technocrats often prioritize long-term benefits and sustainability over short-term gains. They are likely to invest in research and development and take proactive measures to address future challenges. This forward-thinking approach is designed to ensure stability and growth over time, even if it requires sacrifices in the immediate term. One of the strengths of technocracy is its ability to address complex and specialized issues that traditional political systems may not handle well. Since technocrats have expertise in specific fields, they can develop more sophisticated and effective solutions to technical or scientific problems. For instance, in managing a health crisis, a technocratic leadership composed of health experts could be more adept at devising strategies and interventions that effectively mitigate the crisis. Another strength is the reduction in political influence on decision-making. Technocracy can limit the sway of political agendas and reduce corruption by focusing on data-driven and objective criteria for decisions. This can lead to more rational and unbiased policies that are better aligned with the public's actual needs and the nation's strategic interests. However, technocracy also has limitations. One significant limitation is the potential lack of democratic participation. Because technocrats are selected based on expertise rather than elected by popular vote, there can be a disconnect between the leadership and the general populace. This might lead to policies that are efficient, but not necessarily reflective of the public's desires or values, possibly causing discontent or disengagement among citizens. Another limitation is the risk of over-reliance on technical solutions. While scientific approaches are essential, not all societal issues can be effectively resolved through technical means alone. Social, cultural, and ethical considerations often play a crucial role in policymaking and can be undervalued or overlooked in a purely technocratic approach. This might lead to decisions that are technically sound, but socially or ethically problematic. To learn about other models of governance, check out the videos on screen now.